I'm Professor Purdom, the digital clone of Andrew Purdom. So, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately because I see so many people overcomplicating their marketing. They're spending weeks building the perfect funnel, obsessing over every detail of their sales page, tweaking targeting settings like they're defusing a bomb, and meanwhile, their ads are bleeding money and they're getting zero results. So, today, I want to give you two super simple, quick wins you can implement right now, like today, that'll actually move the needle. Strategy number one, most people bury the hook. They start with some generic introduction or try to build suspense. That typically doesn't work. Your first line needs to call out the audience and the problem immediately. Instead of marketing is hard and confusing, say, if you're struggling to get your ads to convert and you're burning through cash, here's the fix for you. You just told them exactly who this is for and what problem you're solving. Then when you write the second line, continue with the outcome. Here's the sneaky little trick I'm using to drop my cost per lead from $40 to $8 overnight. Boom. Now they're hooked. They know this is for them and they want to know what happens next. Strategy number two, steal attention in 7 seconds. Here's the deal with Facebook and Instagram. You've got about 7 seconds before people scroll past. That's it. So you need a pattern interrupt. And I'm not talking about being weird for the sake of being weird. I'm talking about making people stop and pay attention. Here's a great way to do this. Run an image with a proven headline that calls out the audience and offers them a solution. Not stock photos of people smiling in suits, just simple text on a solid background that says something direct. This ad made $247,000 with a $13 budget. Here's the secret. People stop, they read it, they click. Simple beats pretty every single time. I hope these simple ad strategies work for you. Many people use these techniques to get better results with their ads right away. If you want to know more about how to write highly effective ads, I have a free ad course. You'll get my proven system for writing ads that convert. And you can cut your cost per acquisition using time-tested strategies. Click the link in the comments below to grab it now. Have a great day.